Smiggle again. They're addicted to Smiggle.
Now we're going to pick the last 9 items out of the Smiggle Advent Calendar, but do watch the other 2 videos to see the previous 16 items. Let's start. So we're on 17, which is up here in the corner. Ooh. I think this is I know. Wait, no. What's this? Suitcase. Oh, suitcase tag.
Well, that's going to be useful.
Yeah, we could use this for a suitcase. And they'll be like, what's burger? And they're like, oh, it's a suitcase tag. I can write my name with this pen. Suitcase tag. What did you now, we are on number 18, wherever that is. I'm going to look for it, found it. What's this? Oh, I think I know what this is. Yeah, it's one of them pens that have multicolour stuff. What is this? So cool. Oh, normally they only have 4. This one has like thousands. What is this? How'd you do it? What is it? I know what it is. I don't know what it is. Oh, how'd you do it? Oh, it's this way. Oh, you do this. I don't get it. Oh, you want to turn this? No, you gotta turn this. And to the thing, and you can put the pen on. I get it now. How do you turn it off? Yeah, turn it. It's blue. Okay. That's cool. Pink. I'm gonna go to pink.
You worked it out now.
Yeah.
How do you do it then?
So basically, you twist it to the one that you want. So say if I wanted pink, then I twist it. And then so I twist it to pink, and then I just push it. And then if I wanted to do difficult, I just turn it. And then I want blue. Then just go to blue. And then I want green. Let's go to green. And then black. Oh, this is cool. Normally you only have like 4, and then you have to do it individually. Now, what are we on? Number 19. I found it. Where? I think it's a rubber. No, it's not. I think it's a keychain. Yeah. It's a pizza. Pizza. It's overlays. Like.
The smell.
They got somebody. Wait, sorry. Oh, she wants to eat it. Let's see what we got. So we got this burger. We got this. There's something else that's food. And this. And we got chocolate. These are food. So, and I got that's food. No, you can't attempt. Wow, this is cool. No, don't eat the burger. 120 now. Okay, we're on number 20. Yeah. I feel like it's going to be a highlighter. It's a glue stick. It matches with the book. Oh yeah, I think this is going to be a good glue stick. Glue sticks. Oh yeah, it does match with the book. Now I got 2. I'm going to use this at school because I don't have a glue stick. I'm going to use all of them. Yeah, I'm definitely going to use all of them. I could put this on my bag instead of a suitcase. I don't really have a suitcase. But yeah, number 21. I think this is going to be a ruler for definite. I think it's going to be like a pen. It's going to be a ruler. Oh, it's some highlighter sticks. Oh, I wish I wanted one of these before. Oh, this is one of them not highlighter, marker sticks. I think it's highlighter, I don't know. So like, basically what you do is you take the... Okay, yeah, this is strong. So I think it's got a wrapper on. Oh, that's why I couldn't open it. Not because I'm not strong. I'm obviously strong. Definitely. I'm just taking the plastic off. So I'm just taking the plastic off. It's taking a while. Okay, I've got it now. A blueberry. So this is a highlighter. So this you get all these colours. So basically you take the top off. Yeah, you can use blue. And if you want pink, you just take this off and you can use pink and you put it back. And then if you want to use light pink. And then if you want to use orange,
think the colours are scented. Blue are scents.
Yellow.
Does it smell? Smell the yellow one.
Smell the blue.
Blue.
Smells in it.
Yeah. Smells nice. Oh, this is the purple one. The dark pink smells
I
nice.
just did 21. I smell it.
Oh, it smells nice. Smell this one. It smells nice.
It smells like pepper.
It's to number 20. Are we on? 22. 22. Right here. Okay, this one's a ruler, I think.
Unicorn pen.
Oh, this is so cool. This is a gel. This is one of them pens, basically. I know what this is. So it's a pen, yeah? Is this just a normal pen or is it what I think it is? Yeah, it's what I think it is. It's a gel pen, and then until you use all the ink of that colour, you go into this colour, and then when you use all of that ink, you get into yellow. You use all of that ink, you get into pink. You use all of that ink until you got nothing. So basically, start off in this colour, and then when this ink runs out, you go into pink, and then when that ink runs out, you go into yellow.
The pen's so skinny. It's not
Skinny. Damn it.
Like you.
Skinny pen.
Skinny like you.
Skinny pen. I didn't know there was skinny pen.
But this fat pen then. This fat pen.
So this is a fat.
So that is an ordinary pen. Where's the skinny one?
This is that. She's calling this one a skinny one.
That's a fat one. That's an ordinary, and this is a skinny pen.
I didn't know they had a way. Okay. Hello, how do you do? Okay, number 23.
I think it might be a highlight.
Yeah, it's a highlighter. Oh, is it the same as the pink one?
The two
I'm gonna have a light.
same highlighters.
No, different colours. I'm gonna have those highlighters at school. I've actually not been having highlighters. We're on the next big one. This is the big one. I've been looking for it. I bet it's gonna be a notebook.
Oh my god. It's crayons.
Crayon. Oh, that's
Is
cool.
that crayon?
No, we'll give it too much.
Oh, crayon.
Oh, this is so cute. The tiny pencil crayon.
I need that for school. Is it like this?
Look how cool it is.
I want to have that. That's fine.
These are all like mini stationery, so cool, like a mini glue. Yeah, yes, I know.
I'm taking the box to school.
I know, Liza, I know. Okay, it doesn't matter. Wait, we'll see, Liza. Put everything down. Now we're going to pick the last prize, number 25. So,
Calculator.
oh, calculator, keychain.
That is the best one.
This is probably the best
The
one.
back.
And it's amazing at the back, and it looks super cool. It's rainbow, and it's a keychain too. Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, you can put it on my necklace. Put this on my necklace.
It's okay. It's so cool.
Can you put it on my necklace?
And it's a maze at the back.
You can put it on.
And that's a SMIGGLE advent calendar. And it's very good value for money because the other card is £22.50 each.
Yeah.
Wait, this one is one, Liza. You can have. I'll give you some stuff, obviously. So do you want this and this? You want these? Then I get the notebook. And this.
I can draw.
You draw with your highlighters, and then I have this.
Bye.
Bye. Taking the SMIGGLE stuff. I'm seeing some fun. So, quick calculation says that if you bought all of these items separately, it would cost about £30. So, it's very good value and it's really fun to open.